Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 2, the first lesson, Understanding Functions. So here we are. First thing it says to do is create a new workbook. So we're going to click File and then New, Blank Workbook. It says enter the following values into the worksheet. If you click on that table, it'll bring it up so we can see what we're doing. So in A1 we're going to type sum, quotation mark, go over to C, 45, 24, 57, 49, 36. Oops. Somebody should have told me I was typing in the wrong thing. We'll go ahead and type standard deviation. I'm going to double click between the A and the B, and that automatically fit that there. Go over here now and see 24, 57, 49, and 36. So we got sum, standard deviation, and in column C, 45, 24, 57, 49, and 36. So that completes that step. Go to the next step. Select cell B1. Click Insert Function to the left of the formula bar. It's talking about right here. So click Insert Function. If necessary, in the or select a category box, which is right here, click the drop down menu and go to Math and Trig. Because the sum function is by far the most commonly used, it's usually in the most recently used list. If it's not, you can find it in the Math and Trig category, which is what we opened up. So in the Select a Function list, scroll down and click Sum. So I'm going to scroll down to that. Select Sum, and then click OK. For this exercise, we're going to use the Collapse and Restore buttons to enter argument values into the Function Arguments dialog box. You can also enter the cell range values directly into the argument text boxes, or select the cell range without collapsing it, just by using the mouse. So with the cursor in the number 1 box, that's where we are now, click Collapse, which is right here, to temporarily shrink the Function Arguments dialog box, and then drag the box to an empty part of the worksheet so that it does not obstruct the cell range to be selected. So we're going to select cells C1 to C5. So we're going to highlight C1 to C5. You can see that it put that up here. You can see that it also put it over here. Click Restore to return the Function Arguments dialog box to its size. So that's talking about right here. I'm going to click right here. And then click OK. And you can see that there's the sum of all of these numbers in this box B2. So mark that as answer. Go to the next one. Select cell B2. I don't know what I did to click that. B2, click Insert Function. In the Search for a Function box, type Standard Deviation. And click Go. Excel displays a list of functions that involve the use of standard deviation. I don't even remember what that is, but I'm sure y'all do. Click stdev.s, which is right there, and click OK. If necessary, drag the box out of the way, so mine's not in the way. With the cursor in the number 1 box, which make sure you're in the number 1 box, select C1 to C5 and click OK. Click OK, and your completed worksheet should look like this. You can see that mine does. Hopefully yours looks like that. If you did, you should get the same green check marks that I'm about to get when I submit this. There you go. So this completes understanding functions.